would you recommend to anyone who's got hair loss, who looks at the hairline every day and says, oh gosh, I'm losing my hairline?
I would recommend hair transplant. The results speak for themselves.
Today we're going to present Guy. He's 36 years old and 1 year ago had a hair transplant for a Norwood 3 pattern hair loss. As you will see in the photographs, has got hair loss in the left and the right temporal areas here with temporal recession and a bit of recession of the anterior hairline as well. Guy looked like just immediately post-op, and you get an idea. This was a 3000 graft FUT or strip transplant, concentrating on the anterior 1/3 to 1/2 of the scalp, but in particular along the lateral aspects of the hairlines on the left and the right, consistent, as I said, with a Norwood 3 pattern. You're going to see the result in the anterior 1/2 of the scalp. And you can see extremely good high density coverage. And this goes on and merges imperceptibly with his natural hair. Once again, the hairline. So Guy, what do you think of your transplant?
I think it's amazing how it actually changed my life, and people don't even, they're impressed by the work that you guys have done to fix my hairline. I couldn't be happier.
Have people noticed it? Your wife, your friends?
Oh, definitely. My wife has noticed it. My family have noticed it. They can't believe how well, or how great it looks.
Has it given you more confidence?
Oh, definitely. It's I'm not worried about my hair as much. I never have to worry about it. I get out of bed, I don't have to style it. I get out of bed and I go to work, and it just looks amazing all the time.
If somebody is looking to do a transplant, what would you suggest?
I would suggest them coming here. The people that have worked on my hair, they were amazing. Dr. Gupta has been amazing. Everybody, the whole crew, they're very professional.
Who's got hair loss, who looks at the hairline every day and says, oh gosh, I'm losing my hairline?
I would recommend hair transplant. The results speak for themselves. They just look so natural and amazing. You don't have to worry about it for the rest of your life.